Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Sea view of Treasure Beach is approximately 1 mile from this hotel property. The main building is a 2-story, 14-bedroom units with ensuite bathrooms, a receptionist area, a sitting room, and balconies to enjoy the view of the sea and the sea breeze. To the rear of the main building are 2 swimming pools with deck, entertainment area, kitchen and staff quarters. A large kitchen with dining facilities is located adjacent to the front lawns. Additional facilities include manager's bungalow and generator room. A solar system was added to the property to enhance its green energy and water tanks to ensure continuous supply. This hotel sits on 3.68 acres of land. The land previously had its own vegetation garden for a farm-to-table experience and tropical fruit trees. However, the property has not reopened since COVID-19, and the gardens is in need of some TLC. St. Elizabeth is home to many returning residents and is home to several tourist attractions, to include Wise Falls, Pelican Bar, Black River Safari, and Appleton Estate. Guys, let's take a look at this hotel, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this hotel is US 900,000 or Jamaican $138.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.